Yes, you will find them around Santa Clara County.
Judge Aaron Persky is fighting for his job. He faces a recall campaign by critics who say he treated sexual assault too lightly when he sentenced Stanford University student Brock Turner 2 years ago.
I also understand the passion that drives the recall. While I think that passion is genuine, I think the mechanism that has been chosen, which is judicial recall, is misguided. I just think it's the wrong outlet for that desire for change.
In an interview with the Associated Press, Persky said he's fighting the recall to protect judicial independence.
Think about the next time, if you're in a courtroom, what do you expect of that judge? Do you expect that judge to put their finger to the wind and test public opinion in your case? Or do you expect that judge to focus on the facts of your case, on the law that applies?
Well, that's Judge Persky and Mr. Turner.
Stanford law professor MICHELE DAUBER launched the recall effort in 2016 after Persky sentenced the student athlete to probation and 6 months in county jail. He pointed to Turner's clean criminal record and the probation department's recommendation. Prosecutors had argued for 6 years in state prison.
Judge Persky has failed women in a very significant way, and the voters are going to hold him accountable for that on June 5th.
Women are playthings for the boys!
The case sparked outrage at Stanford and around the country after the victim's courtroom statement about the assault and its aftermath went viral. The 22-year-old woman was intoxicated and unconscious when she was assaulted on the Stanford campus outside a fraternity party in 2015.
Many eyes around the country are going to be on Santa Clara County as a model for how to respond to bias against women in the legal system.
In response to the Turner case, Governor Jerry Brown signed legislation that would require longer sentences in state prison for defendants convicted of assaulting unconscious victims. Despite the backlash, Persky says he has no regrets about how he handled the Turner case and has no plans to quit his job.
And I'm in this fight for the broader message, which is let's protect our criminal justice system. Let's keep politics out of the courtroom.
If the campaign is successful, Persky would be the first California judge to be recalled in 86 years. Terry Che, Associated Press, Los Altos Hills, California.